Samuel Morris, and I come here every Saturday to help with a Christian organisation to run gaming events for the community. How I became Christian was about 3 years ago, where Troy, one of the main people in the organisation, approached me and he was like, "Oh, do you want to come to this event which is Christian based?" And I was like, "Oh, okay, what do you do? Is it like all Bible talking?" He's like, "Oh no, we mainly game with about a 10-minute talk every now and again." So I was like, "Oh, okay, I won't pay much attention to the talk and I'll just focus on the games." And I think it was about 2 years down the line, so last year, I got an invite to a youth weekend in a place called Bala, which is in North Wales, where they are a Christian-based, like, almost youth centre, but it's huge, like, phenomenal. Some of the talks there about Christ and joining the love of Christ really interested me, and it got to the point where I really wanted to know more. Like, I started to have that thirst of knowledge, and this time last year I was invited to a event called Sold Out, which is a week stay at this Christian place where they teach you more about the Lord and what your path would be like and how much better your life can be with the Lord. And it was at that moment which I knew I wanted to accept Christ into my life, and so I did. I opened up, I allowed Christ into my life, and I like to say I've been a Christian since then. I'll be returning to Bala shortly this summer to continue my walk with Christ. The impact Christ has had on my life is just something you can't find from anything else. It's almost like a power that you never thought you could have, but you do, where you know that somewhere you are always loved and accepted, and nothing can really give you that apart from the Lord. Like, He gives you knowledge beyond compare and just helps you through your life and guides you to be the best person you can possibly be, and I think that is truly one of the most amazing things possible.